To enable or disable Ringer on Google Pixel 11, you can, for example, go to Settings. Now over here in Settings, if you choose Sound and Vibration, then over here you can adjust the ringtone volume. So of course, if you have the ringtone volume set to anything above 0%, then you should be able to use the Ringer. And you can slide all the way to the left side in order to turn off the Ringer. What you can also do is you can use either volume button. So press it once, and then here at the bottom use that button where we have these different sliders. And here you can also change the ringtone volume. And in addition to that, that media volume bar here also has this icon, which allows you to, for example, enable the mute mode. So this crossed out belt means that the Ringer, the ringtone sound and the notification sound are going to be muted. So of course you can use that as well. And of course you can turn it back on by using the normal bell. And that's pretty much it. Actually, one more thing, there is the vibrate mode as well. So if you want to keep if you want to keep vibrations enabled, then you can use that. And that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.